We never wanted ordinary, only something real. Somewhere between the ocean and the sky, our forever began. We carried all our hopes together, far beyond the life we knew, leaving everything behind us, just to find something true.
Golden light across the water, warm wind moving through the air. And in that moment, it felt like love was everywhere.
Ocean eyes,
Barefoot hearts,
everything around us
faded into blue. Beautiful beginning under Bahamian sky.
You looked at me,
And I saw my whole life.
we said forever on that pier that day. Some moments stay inside you long after they are gone, like a feeling you keep carrying even when the night moves on. I remember trying to breathe, trying to calm the way I shook. Then I saw you in your wedding dress, and my whole world stopped when I looked.
You felt beyond beautiful,
Like the answer to every prayer.
beautiful beginning under Bahamian sky.
You looked at me,
You looked at me, and I saw my whole life.
we said forever
On that pier that day. Your hand in mine,
time slowed down.
and somewhere in that silence,
We finally felt home.
beautiful beginning.
Still lives in our souls
The day we found heaven.
and called it home.